Another journal that I've made, and this one is a soft fabric covered journal, and that is the back, because you can't really see the front now because I've covered it all over. It's got this lovely like felt. I'm going to show you it, and then I'm also going to show you where you can get it. I'm not sure about the bag, but it's like a felt base and it's off-white, and I'll show you that it's really thick and it's really nice, and I got it from Fernley Designs. And I believe they've still got some of it on their website, so I'll link that below if you go over and take a look. So yeah, that's really, really pretty. It's made the journal kind of squishy. Then I've covered it with this lovely lace fabric, and it's all been sewn on. The image has been sewn onto some white fabric with some cheesecloth behind it. We've got this lovely heart trim here. Then we've got like a layered flower. There's a bit of cheesecloth behind there, some bling, this button, and a is it a garment pin? Bulb pin with a butterfly on it, and you can see it's nice and chunky. Eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. It measures 8 1/8 of an inch by 5 1/4. There is one signature, and there is 88 pages front and back. There's a whole mixture of stuff in here. So the inside cover is just coffee dyed and stenciled. Digital paper is from ephemera, and I will link that below as well. So excuse me, I've just had a cup of tea, and it popped up to say hello. So we've got a double pocket here, and it's stuffed. And so this paper again is from ephemera. Can't remember which one it is. The words here, I'll make sure I'm in frame. The words here are from Dreams Etc. I've got a double journaling card there, which just pops in there. Just a little tag with some eyelash trim. This booklet here is just teal coffee dyed paper, I can't remember, and the image is actually a tag which I've glued on and made it into a little booklet. So that pops in there. Then we have some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and that's just folded, and that pops in behind. Then we have a large tag, and it's nice and shimmery with some stenciling, so you can do some journaling on that, or you can have a photo. You can do quite a lot with the big tags. A doily, some edge punching, some nice shimmer on that as well. A dictionary page, some Edith Holden. This is from the Old Design Shop, crocheted trim. Here I've just made some envelope booklets. They're not actually sewn, but you can't do that now anyway because the paper's in there. You won't be able to write on it, but it's got stenciling and stamping. And this paper collection is from Artie Mays, and it's her new collage kit. Now, I'm not sure if it's out today or it's out tomorrow, but obviously I was privileged enough to get hold of it, so that's one of the pages. Tomorrow I'm actually going to make a journal using the kit, and then I've just popped a little heart with a butterfly on there, and that just paper clips on. Yeah, I just had to do something with it, even though I was in the middle of doing this when I received it. Some more digital paper from ephemera. Here we just have a flip up, flip down, and you could glue that down if you wanted to and just make it a pocket, or you could use it as journaling space. It's got a little heart and a butterfly there. We have a vintage postcard from Tsunami Rose. This is just a journaling card that I've just put onto some tea or coffee dyed paper and stenciled. So there's lots of places to journal on that. And then we have a large tag which has been stenciled, a doily, a paper bag, some edge punching. Here again, this is using Artie Mays' collage papers, and this tag, I should say, was made from one of the pages, just one of the pages, and I cut 2 pieces off to make the tags. Then just done some layering here with some scrap pieces, some music paper, the word timeless, some cheesecloth, some bling. I've glossy accented the rose here, and then put some diamond dust on it so it's kind of shiny and sparkly, and then a butterfly, and this butterfly is from Artie Mays and it's on her website and it's a freebie. Some more digital paper from ephemera. Here I just made a little pocket and put some lace at the bottom. The word here is from Dreams Etc. We've got a large tag again. Another one of these tags made into a little booklet, so you can do some additional journaling. And then a little tag, a doily, some dictionary paper, some music paper, some Edith Holden, and I forgot to mention there's some crocheted trim on some of the pages. Lots of journaling space. Edith Holden. Here is just another pocket like the one in the front, only I've put it on this side of the page. The word laugh. We have another one of the tags made into a booklet. Another large stenciled tag. We have another postcard and a double journaling card from Tsunami Rose, and another little tag. Actually, that I want to put that in there. There we go. Oh, it's just got to sit just right. Oh, there we go. Another tag using Artie Mays' paper, and then just done some layering. The butterfly on this one has been glossy accented, and it's got a little bling in the middle. There's cheesecloth, some fabric, some bling, the word memories, and the words that I used on the tags. Where's the other tag? Again, that's a freebie on Artie Mays' website. The other side of the paper bag, the doily, a little pocket. I was actually going to do a side pocket, and I don't know why I changed my mind, but I just turned it into a little bottom pocket. But that's just how the mind works. A large tag, little scrap piece of paper, some stenciling, some stamping, another tag that's been made into a booklet. I think there's 4 or 6 of them, I can't remember, throughout the journal. And a little tag, little layered heart here, with the word timeless. Again, that's Artie Mays. Another like full envelope using Artie Mays' collage papers, and aren't they lovely? And then inside we've got some squared paper. It's very shimmery, some stenciling, and again another little heart with a butterfly, and that just pops on there. Oops. Some crocheted trim on there. A doily, another one of these flip up, flip downs. Could glue it to be an envelope or keep it as it is. It says fly away. A little heart with a butterfly, and then we have a large journaling tag. Another, this is from Dreams Etc. Journaling card, so I just folded that over so you've got additional journaling space, and a postcard and a double journaling card, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Like I say, it's kind of chunky, lots going on. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I will try and put all the links, well I will put all the links below. If you have any questions, just ask, and I will back tomorrow to show you what I make with, well hopefully tomorrow, what I make with the new collage collection that Artie Mays has brought out. And I will see you then. Bye.